In today's fast-paced business environment, crises can strike at any moment. The importance of crisis management cannot be overstated. It's the difference between a minor setback and a major catastrophe. Understanding how to manage these crises and handle public relations effectively is crucial for any business. For business professionals, PR specialists, and corporate leaders, honing these skills is not just an option, it's a necessity. This video sets the stage for understanding business crisis management and public relations. We'll guide you through the essentials, providing both theoretical insights and actionable strategies. Our aim is to educate and empower you to handle crises confidently, minimizing damage and fostering recovery. As we delve into the complexities of crisis management and the pivotal role of public relations, you'll gain valuable knowledge that can safeguard your business's future. Let's explore these concepts together and become proactive stewards of our respective enterprises. Stay with us as we dive into the world of business crisis management and resilient public relations. Up next, you'll meet an expert who will share their valuable insights and experiences, setting the foundation for the lessons ahead. We are joined today by Expert's Name, a seasoned professional in crisis management and public relations with over X years of experience. With a background rich in navigating complex business environments, our expert has guided numerous organizations through turbulent times. Their strategic and empathetic approach ensures not only survival, but also growth and opportunity. By leveraging their extensive knowledge and proven track record, Expert's Name will help us uncover effective strategies for managing business crises. Let's delve into their insights and gain valuable advice to navigate and mitigate potential disruptions in your business operations. A business crisis can take many forms, from financial troubles to public relations disasters. But what exactly constitutes a business crisis? At its core, a business crisis is an event that threatens the operations, reputation, or existence of a company. Common types of crises include financial instability, natural disasters, cyber attacks, and negative public perception. Identifying the nature of the crisis is the first critical step in managing it effectively. Immediate actions should be focused on assessing the situation and assembling a crisis management team to develop a response strategy tailored to the specific nature and scope of the crisis. Understanding these initial steps is key to navigating through tough times and emerging stronger. As we continue, you'll learn how to tackle common challenges businesses face during a crisis and the strategies to overcome them. In the realm of crisis management, anticipating challenges is crucial. Today, we'll delve into the common pitfalls businesses face during a crisis. One of the biggest hurdles is maintaining clear and consistent communication, especially when information is rapidly evolving and stakeholders demand instant updates. Moreover, the pressure to keep the public's trust intact can't be overstated. Missteps in communication can quickly erode confidence, turning a manageable crisis into a reputational disaster. Our expert will provide insights into tackling these issues head-on. As we move forward, you'll learn strategies for maintaining effective communication and preserving trust during challenging times. In crisis management, proactive planning stands as the cornerstone. To navigate turbulent waters effectively, it's essential to establish a robust crisis communication plan. This plan should outline clear steps and roles in advance, ensuring that everyone in the organization knows precisely what to do in the event of a crisis. Strong leadership is another critical element. During a crisis, leaders must demonstrate decisive action and calm assurance. They need to be visible, taking charge and guiding their teams with clarity and confidence. This isn't just about damage control. It's about showing that the company is resilient and capable, even in the face of adversity. Leadership should also prioritize transparent communication, both internally and externally. Internally, keeping employees informed and aligned with the crisis response plan is crucial. Externally, conveying honesty and openness with the public helps to maintain trust, which is fragile during crisis situations. Another key strategy is to anticipate potential crises through scenario planning. By conducting regular risk assessments, businesses can identify vulnerabilities and develop contingency plans tailored to various types of crises, whether they be financial, operational, or reputational. Effective crisis management also involves training and rehearsals. Regular drills and simulations help teams internalize the response procedures and react swiftly and efficiently when real crises arise. This practice can highlight weak spots in the plan and provide an opportunity to refine it continuously. Engaging with stakeholders early and often is vital. Building strong relationships with media, partners, and customers before a crisis ensures that lines of communication are open and trusted when most needed. Next, you'll see real-world examples and hear expert advice on balancing public relations during a crisis. These insights will solidify your understanding and preparedness, equipping you with the tools to handle crises confidently and competently. Public relations plays a crucial role during a crisis, serving as the bridge between a company and the public. In moments of uncertainty, managing media relations effectively can shape public perception and control the narrative. The right approach involves crafting a clear, honest, and consistent message that reassures stakeholders and the public. As our expert highlights, having a dedicated PR strategy allows businesses to communicate confidently, reducing the turmoil associated with crises. By anticipating and addressing potential questions and concerns, a solid PR effort can help mitigate damage and rebuild trust. Coming up, we'll explore real-world examples that demonstrate the power of effective crisis communication. Stay tuned for valuable lessons that will enhance your crisis management skills. Now let's dive into a real-world case study of successful crisis management. Take, for instance, company name. Faced with a significant and unexpected crisis, company name demonstrated extraordinary resilience and strategic thinking. They began by assessing the situation comprehensively, identifying the root causes and potential impacts of the crisis. Then, they formulated a clear and actionable crisis management plan, focusing on transparent communication and swift decision-making. As the crisis unfolded, company name maintained open lines of communication with all stakeholders, ensuring that the public, employees, and partners were kept informed every step of the way. Moreover, the leadership team played a crucial role, stepping up to the challenge and spearheading the response efforts with clarity and confidence. They leveraged their crisis communication plan effectively, addressing media inquiries and crafting precise messages to manage public perception. From this experience, several key lessons emerge on preparedness, communication, and leadership. To recap, effective crisis management involves three core elements: proactive planning, clear communication, and strong leadership. Each of these components plays a critical role in navigating through challenging times and mitigating potential damage. Proactive planning ensures that your business is prepared for various scenarios, while clear communication keeps all stakeholders informed and aligned. Strong leadership guides your organization through the turmoil with confidence and decisiveness. As we conclude, remember that the way you handle a crisis can define your business's future. The steps you take today in preparation can safeguard your company's reputation and stability tomorrow. If there's one final piece of advice from our expert, it's this: always be ready and responsive. In an unpredictable world, your readiness can make all the difference. Let's transition to our final thoughts and see how these key takeaways support the broader principles of effective crisis management. In conclusion, managing a business crisis effectively is crucial for maintaining your company's reputation and stability. Proactive measures and preparedness go a long way in safeguarding against potential disasters. Clear, consistent communication is the backbone of crisis management, ensuring your team, stakeholders, and the public are aligned and informed. Remember, the way you handle a crisis can define your business's future and its standing in the market. Reflect on the strategies discussed and implement them in your organizational planning. Stay vigilant, stay prepared, and most importantly, stay resilient. Thank you for joining us in this crucial discussion. Your dedication to improving your crisis management skills is commendable and will undoubtedly pay off in the long run. Effective leadership and clear communication can turn crises into opportunities for growth and improvement. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best in all your business endeavors. If you found this video valuable, don't miss our closing call to action coming up next. If you found this video helpful, Please subscribe to our channel for more insights. Visit our website for additional resources on crisis management and public relations. Share this video with your network. Your support helps us to continue providing valuable content and helping businesses navigate their challenges. Thank you for watching, and remember, informed communication and proactive planning can make all the difference. Together, we can handle any crisis that comes our way.